Well, hello and welcome back to the Junglist Outdoor Show. Today we're at the Malvern Hills and we're going to be hiking up the Worcestershire Beacon. Today I'm with the Kellys.
Hey friends.
So yeah, join us as we make our way to the summit. I'm sure there'll be some really nice views, so keep it locked in. So we made it to the first summit, 383 meters. How are you feeling, Kelly?
Amazing.
She's feeling amazing. I'm feeling amazing. That's the beacon behind me. We've got about 50 meters of ascent left to go. So join us as we make our way to the summit. we made it 425 metres to the trig point of Worcestershire Beacon. It's really windy. Those are the views from up here. Don't know how well you can see because it's pretty cloudy, but yeah, we made it. Woo! Great success. Right, so we're going to be making our way back down now. How did you find the walk up, Kels?
Yeah, it was good. It's quite steep to start off with, and then it sort of levels out. But yeah, like it's really good.
Yeah.
The views are amazing. I definitely recommend.
I recommend too. The views are amazing. Look at this. Getting pretty blustery again on this side of the hill now. That's the first summit we did, Summit Hill. We're taking the easy route back around the outside. So keep it locked in as we make our way down to the bottom. So we're about halfway down, and if you come up here, you don't have to worry, there's plenty of benches to stop on. It's a really, really good day out. So keep it locked in for the rest of the way. How did you find your first summit?
Yeah, great.
It was great. I'm feeling great, she's feeling great, I'm feeling great, she's feeling great, we're feeling great, you're feeling great. Right, so we made it down. How are you feeling, Kelly?
Yeah, good.
So a little bit of history about the place. It's called Worcestershire Beacon, and the beacon indicates that it used to be a hill used to light fires to send urgent warnings, obviously in the ancient times, to let you know that enemy troops were coming. In World War II, it was used to see any air raids on Birmingham and Coventry. There used to be a cafe on top until 1989, and it then burnt down and it wasn't allowed to be rebuilt. But yeah, aside from that, I'd recommend it. It's a really good walk up there. Brilliant panoramic views on top. Would you recommend it?
I would recommend it.
She recommends it. I recommend it. That was the Worcestershire Beacon in the Malvern Hills. You've been locked into the Junglist Outdoor Show. See you in the next one. Peace.